The Berlin Conference and the Horrors in the Congo by Jessica Rothrock, Peter West, and Aaron Lasher. This video, you will learn about the effects of imperialism on Africa in the late 1800s. Many European countries such as Britain, France, and Germany, as well as Belgium, quickly took over Africa in order to obtain natural resources as well as national pride. Within 20 years, European nations completely dominated Africa. This was made possible by the invention of steamships and medical advances which helped cure malaria, which was a disease frequently contracted by Europeans in Africa. The annexation of Africa was also made possible by explorers such as Mungo Park, Richard Burton, and Dr. David Livingstone. Dr. Livingstone actually went missing from 1869 to 1871. He was eventually found in Tanzania by Henry Sandlin. By 1904, most of Africa was taken over by Europeans. King Leopold II of Belgium sent explorers to the Congo because it was rich in copper, rubber, and ivory. Not long after he took over the Congo, the overseers he sent there savagely beat and brutalized villagers and workers alike. The overseers forced the natives to work against their will for almost nothing. This caused populations to drastically decline in some of the areas controlled by Leopold. After other countries found out about these injustices, they forced Leopold to hand over the Congo to the Belgian government, and it became known as the Belgian Congo. Conditions in what was formerly known as the Congo got better, but not much better, and the natives living there still had no say in the government or economy. By the late 1800s, Africa was divided in more than 50 countries. The new boundaries disrupted the life of the natives because they were not used to having their territory restricted. Major rivers provided trade routes for Europeans. Two main conferences affected Africa at this point in time. These were the Berlin Conference and the Brussels Geographic Conference. The Berlin Conference gave the Congo to Leopold before he had to give it to Belgium, and it made it so European powers in Africa had to have a government office there before making claims. The Brussels Geographic Conference was held in 1876. King Leopold called this meeting and talked about stopping the slave trade and setting up stations for scientific use as well as hospitals for explorers. He wanted to promote exploration and provide better conditions for explorers. Let's recap. We have learned about how European countries took over Africa, how Leopold took over the Congo and had to give it up, and the Berlin Conference and the Brussels Geographic Conference.